We also have built into our user interfaces the mindset of accelerating humans doing work around feature engineering. So in Scribe, this is our purpose-built labeling product. We have tons of optimizations in the user interface to make humans more productive. In this scenario, we're going to take a look at labeling things like cyclist, dog walker, jogger, rollerblader, and walker. We first start with user interfaces around enhancing the data to make it easier for humans to see and recognize what is necessary to label, changing saturation, brightness, and contrast, even zooming in. So if you have small objects or inverting colors, which is really powerful, especially in infrared domain, to be able to recognize things, and panning around in the zoomed in state. So all this makes it really easy to find what it is that you need to label. We also optimize how the human interacts with the system with keyboard shortcuts all over the place, including each of the concepts. So here you can select number 3 to find jogger and then draw your bounding box. With video, we have further optimizations, such as video interpolation. So there we drew a box on the first frame of the video, and then we jumped to the last frame of the video, and we're going to adjust that same box. And this is pretty natural because the person's getting further away from the camera, that they're going to be smaller, so it makes the box smaller. Now we're going to scrub backwards in time in between and make sure that the box is tightly coupled to that person as they get smaller throughout the time of the video. So in this intermediate frame where you're going to adjust the box, and then we'll do the same thing a couple times. So we're going to move it around. And this allows you to handle things like curves pretty naturally. Now that we've adjusted a few key points within the video, we interpolate the entire thing. If a human was to label each of these frames independently, this would be multiple orders of magnitude slower of a process. So these types of tools like video interpolation enable you to engineer features very quickly to build artificial intelligence.